Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can trim or cut a video on YouTube using YouTube Studio. So I have this video here of mine I want to edit here. So now I want to cut the dips off. So I think I should cut from here, which is 132. I think it's too much. Okay, so I think 130 is okay. So now here, let me come back for you guys to grasp the concept. Let me go back. So you move to editor here. It's the same page, but then I have the other page opened here. I have analytics opened here to grasp the engagement, something like that, because I want to cut the dips. So I come here and it was 130. Good. So I come here and I choose trim and cut, editor and trim and cut. So on here I just tap on a new cut here and it was 130. I think it was 132 or 130, one of them. 130. Good. So now that's it. So you proceed to save it. Yeah, good to go. But then in my case I want to do a lot of edits, so I decided to make this video. So you have to stick around for some time. So that's the trick. Sometimes if you don't get the minute, well, you can play it and then you pause it, so you get the minutes and then you try to trim it. Now let me play it once again. All this was intro. I think people didn't like it, that's why the dip was sloping like that. I think it's okay. So now I proceed to save it here. Good. So it will be processed and then it will be reflecting on your YouTube channel. So that's it. That's how you can trim or cut a video on your YouTube or YouTube Studio. That's it for the video. Peace.